The flag of Algeria consists of two vertical bands of equal width, green on the hoist side and white on the fly side. In the center of the green band, there is a red crescent and a five-pointed star. The flag's design and colors hold specific meanings. Green band. The green color represents Islam, which is the predominant religion in Algeria and plays a significant role in shaping the country's culture and society. White band. The white color symbolizes peace and purity, reflecting Algeria's desire for peace and unity, both within its borders and in its international relations. Red crescent and star. The red crescent and the five-pointed star are common symbols associated with Islam. They represent faith, spirituality, and the importance of religion in Algerian society. The star also signifies the five pillars of Islam, which are the core beliefs and practices for Muslims. Algeria gained independence from French colonial rule on July 3, 1962, and the current flag design was adopted on the same day to represent the country's newly found freedom and national identity. The flag's colors and symbols are deeply rooted in the Islamic heritage and the struggle for independence, reflecting the values and aspirations of the Algerian people.